Hi everyone, welcome to our channel. Today we will discuss how to reduce swollen feet in winter. Swollen feet is a common problem that arises during the winter or when you are exposed to very cold temperature. People living in cold and humid regions aware of the conditions. In most cases, chilblains take 1 to 3 weeks to heal on its own if further exposures to cool is avoided. Meanwhile, you can try natural ways to reduce swollen feet in winter. Some simple home remedies can help improve the blood circulations to the affected area, thus reducing the swelling and discomfort. Here are simple ways to reduce swollen feet in winter. Home remedy number 1: essential oil. Massaging with essential oils is another effective solution for your swollen feet. Pour 1 tablespoon of olive oil into a bowl. Heat the oil in a microwave for a few seconds. Squeeze 4 or 5 drops each of lavender and tea tree essential oils into the olive oil. Massage the olive blend on your swollen feet for 5 minutes and leave it overnight. Repeat this process every night until it reduces your swollen feet. Home remedy number 2: ginger soak. Ginger, a natural diuretic, dilutes sodium contents in the body to treat your swollen feet. Fill a tub with warm water. Throw in peeled and de-seeded pieces of 4 or 5 chunks of ginger. Blend it 8 to 12 drops of peppermint essential oil. Soak your feet in it for 20 to 30 minutes. Repeat the process 2 times each day until you treat chilblains on feet. Home remedy number 3: Epsom salt soak. Epsom salt contains magnesium sulfate, a compound that easily absorbs into the skin and works to reduce swellings and improve circulations. Fill a tub with warm water. Add half cup of Epsom salt. Mix well to dissolve the salt in the water. Soak your feet in the foot bath for 15 minutes. Pat dry using a towel. Do this twice a day for a quick relief from swollen feet in winter. Continue doing this for 3 to 5 days until it treats chilblains. Home remedy number 4: elevate the swollen feet. Elevating your feet or the affected area is the first thing you must do when suffering from chilblains. Place your feet on a few pillows to elevate them. Leave the feet elevated for 1 hour, then rest for 30 minutes. Repeat 4 or 5 times a day until you get rid of swollen feet in winter. Home remedy number 5: hydrotherapy. Hydrotherapy, which includes both cold and warm water, is an amazing treatment for reducing swelling in your feet. Fill 2 foot tubs with water, one with warm water and other with cold water. Soak your feet in a warm water for 2 to 3 minutes. Immediately put your feet in the cold water and soak for about 1 minute. Alternate continuously for 15 minutes. Do this twice a day to get fast relief from swelling. Home remedy number 6: socks. The simplest natural remedy for a swollen feet is to wear socks and limit your exposures to the cold. Grab and put on a pair of socks. Repeat the treatment until you get relief from chilblains.